Jason's Texas Adventures, and what I've got here are some lemon pepper flavored chicken legs. These chicken legs were from H-E-B. They're relatively inexpensive, and I seasoned them with this H-E-B lemon pepper seasoning. It says this seasoning is also good on seafood, veggies, and wings. Yeah, I've had lemon pepper wings before and they're delicious. So I'm gonna throw these on my brother's grill and show y'all what it looks like. Luna. This is my brother's little dog, Luna. Looks like somebody's already hungry. Alright, so I've already put these lemon pepper chicken legs on my brother's Pit Boss grill. He let me use some of his hickory pellets, so I'm gonna close the lid on this and let it slowly cook. And slow is the key. The vultures are out looking for a meal too. It's a beautiful day to do some grilling out in Spring, Texas. Starting to get a little smoke going now. Check out this smoke action we got going now. And these are just about ready to come off the grill. Check it out, guys. Got them off the grill, and their internal temperature is 165. So these are ready to eat. And I kind of cheated already and ate one of them, and I gotta tell you, it is delicious. Moist on the inside and crisp on the outside. Got me one on a plate here with a side of macaroni salad and a Hawaiian roll. Check out this chicken. And that lemon pepper seasoning is amazing. So guys, just wanted to show y'all a little grilling video, a little short grilling video. Thank you all for watching Jason's Texas Adventures, doing a little grilling and a little chilling.